Tying a tie can seem a bit tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll be able to do it easily. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie a standard 4-in-hand knot, which is one of the most common and simple ways to tie a tie. Start with the wide end of the tie on your right side and the narrow end on your left. Make sure the wide end is longer than the narrow end. Cross the wide end over the narrow end near the top of the tie, forming an X shape. Take the wide end underneath the narrow end. Bring the wide end back over the top of the narrow end, moving from right to left. Pass the wide end through the loop around your neck from underneath. Hold onto the narrow end and tighten the knot by sliding it up towards your collar. Keep a finger inside the knot to maintain some space. Adjust the knot by holding onto both ends and sliding it up or down until it's at the desired position. Finally, make sure the tie is centered and straighten it out if needed. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if it takes a few attempts to get the hang of it. With time, you'll be able to tie a tie effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons or leave a comment. Anything will be greatly appreciated. Thanks.